My name is Marianne Achtresvåg and I'm the founder of Vignita. In 2023, we were selected for Women TechEU for our work on predictive and adaptive learning. We here at Vignita strongly believe that the key to keeping up with the demands for competence and training in today's fast-paced business landscape is collaboration. The ability to share, access and implement knowledge quickly and efficiently. That is why Vignita enables knowledge sharing, not only within a company, but also between companies, and for all types of training, connecting the employers, the training providers and the employees, all within one easy-to-use platform. This winter, we had a great opportunity to participate in the EIC Business Idea Validation Bootcamp. As a company, we had already started to scale to other European markets, but after a short time, we realized we needed to change our whole business model. To be able to then tap into expert knowledge for advice and guidance throughout this process has been great and truly helpful. I highly recommend the bootcamp, and here are my top 3 reasons why you should attend. The knowledge. You get to participate in a series of lectures and workshops to drive up your entrepreneurial skills. A highlight for me was the session we had on how you could play with really bad ideas to actually find exceptionally great ones, and also how to actively use design thinking throughout your business. The experts. Time to get challenged and inspired. There's a vast network of experts ready to help, and the EIC team will help you find experts for your field of research or domain. The inspiration. Imagine being in a group with some of the most exceptional researchers and founders in Europe. You get to hear their story, their vision, and you get a sneak peek at some great inventions, some yet to be launched, and some which might just be revolutionary. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for new knowledge and support, and most importantly, for new friends and network.